Tata IPL 2025 Chennai vs Mumbai Indians. Schedule both team playing 11. Schedule date 23 March. Time 7:30 p.m. Indian time. Venue MA Chidambaram Stadium. Chennai Super Kings team playing 11. Number 1 Devon Conway, wicketkeeper batsman. Number 2 Ruturaj Gaikwad, captain right-handed batsman. Number 3 Rahul Tripathi, right-handed batsman. Number 4 Deepak Hooda, batting all-rounder. Number 5 Shivam Dube, batting all-rounder. Number 6 Ravindra Jadeja, bowling all-rounder. Number 7 Sam Curran, bowling all-rounder. Number 8 MS Dhoni, wicketkeeper batsman. Number 9 Robichandran Ashwin, bowling all-rounder. Number 10 Noor Ahmed, spin bowler. And number 11 Mathisa Pathirana, fast bowler. Mumbai Indian teams playing 11. Number 1 Rohit Sharma, right-handed batsman. Number 2 Ryan Rickelton, wicketkeeper batsman. Number 3 Tilok Burma, left-handed batsman. Number 4 Surya Kumar Yadav, captain, right-handed batsman. Number 5 Will Jack, batting all-rounder. Number 6 Noman Dheer, right-handed batsman. Number 7 Robin Means, right-handed batsman. Number 8 Mitchell Santner, bowling all-rounder. Number 9 Karan Sharma, spin bowler. Number 10 Deepak Chahar, fast bowler. And number 11 Trent Bolt, fast bowler. Thanks for watching in my YouTube channel's video and subscribe now.